Good morning all. This is Dr.v.sudhakar, Associate Professor of English, Department of Humanities and Sciences. Today I am going to deal with one of the important topics of first year English syllabus. With the advent of technology, you are able to communicate very easily through WhatsApp and other devices. But when it comes to any formal or official issues, mere communication of that sort will not help. You need to communicate in writing. And this kind of writing, in writing, is very important for business purposes. So with that view, I would like to take the topic today, that is business correspondence. See, some of you may join teaching profession and may become head of the department or a principal of the institute. And on the other side, some of you may become businessmen like manufacturers, distributors, retailers, wholesale dealers, etc. So when you are in that profession, you need to communicate with these people. That means there are now two types of the organization. One is an institution and other is dealership or something. So the communication is exchanged between these two in writing for all business purposes. So today's main intention is to tell you what type of the correspondence that takes place between these two organizations, right? So I would like to mention it clearly that imagine that this is education institute, and this is distributor's place or wholesale dealer, retailer, whoever it is, supplier. Okay, in order to establish a laboratory, for example, in an institution, the head of the department or in charge of the laboratory or principal may have to correspond with these people to get these items. So for that, what is the communication that takes place, and then in return, what is the communication that has to take place. So that is the main point of the discussion today. At first, you need to write a letter to the distributor or supplier. It is named as inquiry letter. That means you have to make an inquiry regarding the equipment or goods or items. Right? So in that inquiry letter, what is the content that you need to prove? That is the most important first. So with regard to inquiry letter, what do you write? First point is you have to mention names of items, they are goods, and their specifications, whether big or small or what are the specifications you have to mention, right? And third is availability of the items, and then their prices. You need to know the rates. So these prices, when you are asking for prices, that particular point, that word is also called quotation. That means request for quotation. So these are the two important words. The quotation is a part of inquiry letter here, right? So prices, and then what are the other things? That guarantee period or warranty that is provided for this, and servicing facilities for that particular product, and mode of payment. And there are some other issues like taxes, how much tax has to be paid for this, and any discount that is offered. So many factors can be mentioned in a query. So you have to ask for all these items. What are the items available, whether they are available or not with that particular specification, what are the prices, and what is the period of the guarantee for those items, and whether servicing facilities are there or not. Right? And then how to pay, whether the payment can be made through check or demand draft or online payments, etc. That kind of thing. And because these are education institutions, what is the discount that is offered? So once you mention all these points and write all these points in the form of an inquiry letter to a distributor or supplier. So now, as a principal or a HOD are in charge of a laboratory or writing this letter. And from that side now, what letter has to be written? This is the second letter. First letter is an inquiry letter. Second letter, that means you are writing a reply to inquiry. So reply to inquiry. What do you write now? With an example that these items are available, which are required by you, and so many specifications are available. Specifications means, for example, for chemistry lab, a beaker is a smaller one, of the same kind a drum is a bigger one. So whether you want a drum or whether you want a beaker. So like that, specifications according to that, and then availability of the items, how many items are available, and even period of the supply too, and what's up, how much time do they take to supply those items. That is a very important, because you are starting a laboratory here after 1 month, and if they are able to send only after 2 or 3 months, then it is not advisable to purchase at this level. Right? So in that way, these items and guaranteed whether 1 year or 2 years, then the servicing, whether they come here for the servicing and all that, whether amount has to be paid for the services provided. And with regard to mode of the payment means again whether 25% has to be paid, 50% has to be paid, or some companies ask to pay 100% again. Before supply itself, they want this particular thing. And for the education institution, the percentage of the discount is offered by different companies in different ways. So that is also there. So like that, all this information in the form of the reply you have to mention. So now you have already sent a letter inquiring about the issues, and you got all that information at your end. Now it is time to write another letter from this side, that is placing an order. This is called order letter. You have to place an order. So all these things have to do officially. That's why we call it business correspondence. Orally by phone, if you say that I want so and so, so and so, so and so items, and if they send, you may not accept at that time. Right? So oral communication is not possible. It is not legally valid. That's why business correspondence has to be made only in writing, in the form of letters. Right? So in the placing of order, what do you write? Again, for this, you may have to draw a table like thing here, mentioning all the point, serial number, description of the item, and then quantity. Quantity means how many items do you require. So if you are starting a chemistry lab, for example, any beakers or any other items, how many number? For each student, suppose will do that experiment. One student will do an experiment with that particular item. So you may be requiring 40, 50 or up to 60. Like that, if it's a group activity, one item for one particular experiment, if 3 or 4 members will be doing at a time, then you will be requiring less number of the quantity. And prices or specifications, all these items have to be mentioned in the form of a table, and along with that, you have to mention the enclosures. What are that? What the enclosures means, especially the DD, if you are sending through DD, so the DD number, etc. Like that, so this placing an order should consist of the items required by you, because same item can be with 2 different prices because of the 2 different quantities. So you have to mention all these, model number, serial number, etc. So all these the placing of order will be sent to that supplier. So this is the third phase. So after that, what happens? That supplier will be sending all these items in cordons or packed items. Right? So you will be waiting for a period which is mentioned, period of supplies. Say for example 1 month is mentioned. So for 1 month you will be waiting, and within that time, if you get, everything is fine. If you don't get the items in the stipulated time, what happens? Why are you not getting the item? Because supplier is unable to send those items as per his assurance, because there are some problems at that end. Right? So now looking from the angle of supplier, if you look from this side, then you have to write a letter to this institute mentioning the reasons why you are unable to send. Right? So this doesn't happen most of the time. Sometimes it happens. So that is called apology letter. Apology letter from the sender. That means, what is the reason for inability to send that particular thing? That means, what can be the reasons? Reasons can be like workers are on strike, because of that they are unable to produce the goods, or raw material is not available, or sometimes floods and these kind of the things, they damage the roads. So that's why that is the problem. Sometimes transportation, lorries and all that, they are on strike. So like that, so many reasons. I mean, you have to mention at least 1 or 2 reasons here. That one is strike by employees, workers especially. And second, due to the floods and all that, you are unable to send. These are the 2 important reasons why you are unable to send this thing. And in the same letter, you have to ask for assurance again, whether the order is remained as it is. Because after 2 months, if you are able to send, is it acceptable to the institute or not? So that has to be clarified. So you, in this apology letter itself, by mentioning your problems, apologize, and then ask for the assurance that they will be able to, that whether they can send after beyond that stipulated period. So once this apology letter is received, then from institute side, you will write the reply. What is the reply? Okay, we can wait for 2 months more. So as whatever the items that are mentioned in the order, placing an order, will stand the same. The status quo is maintained. So you please send it after that. So if that is the positive reply is there, it's okay. Otherwise, the order has to be cancelled. So sometimes order has to be cancelled. So this type of the reply, positive reply or cancellation. Cancellation of order. So this letter will be from this side. And after that, okay, you waited for some time and you got the equipment that is delivered, items are delivered at your door. And then when you open the cartons or packages, sometimes you will find damaged goods. Not that every time everything is fine. So there can be some problems here. What type of the problems now? Damaged goods. And sometimes item is as it is, but it doesn't work. For example, ammeter or some other kinds of meter for electrical department. So it looks like okay, everything is fine, but it doesn't work. So that doesn't work. So that can be another problem, not functioning. Or sometimes it misfunctions. Misfunctioning means here, suppose you have ordered for a watch. If the watch runs clockwise, it's okay. Watch is there, it's not damaged, it's working, but the needles are going in the reverse, anti-clockwise direction. So it doesn't help you at all. So in that way, misfunctioning can be a problem. So out of these kinds of the problems can be there with the items, especially for laboratory items and all that. So in such case, you need to write a complaint letter. So in complaint letter, you have to clearly mention that out of the 50 items ordered, we received all 45 items, and 5 items the 3 items are in the damaged condition, and 2 are not functioning at all. So these items are kept aside, and you can send your representative for inspection, and we immediately want you to replace that items. So those damaged items or whatever the items are there, they have to be replaced or exchanged, right? So these are the important letters that go between one institute and a supplier. First one is inquiry letter, second is reply to the inquiry letter and all that, third one is placing an order, and fourth one is an apology letter. It's not a compulsory same order. If things are okay, apology letter is not needed. If there is a problem, then apology letter has to be written. And fifth one, that for that apology, whatever the problem is there, whether you take that problem into positive way and then send the reply. And this is the sixth one, that complaint letter has to be written. So these 6 letters, important letters. There are other business correspondence letters like adjustment letters, credit letters, some kind of other letters will be written. But in the first year BTech syllabus, these are the important letters that you have to learn how to write, because this is not only for the examination purpose, even when you really become a head of this or this, both sides, then you need to write these letters. So that's the reason why in every letter what is the content to be written is now discussed actually. Now after this, you have to know how to write letters. So that is the next part of this. So we will do that in the next session. So in this session, I hope you understood well the different types of the letters and the content that is important. The content that has to be written in every letter is discussed in this, right? So in the next session, we will discuss the pattern in which this content has to be placed. So that completes your writing of a letter or official business correspondence. Thank you.